Okay, should be back. Cool. All right, we're good. Now we're fine. Tried to stream on Twitch as well and do both, but that didn't work, so not gonna worry about it. Alright, let's get our... I want to get the chat on the screen just to make it a little bit nicer. So let's try and do that quick. Do this. And then let's get the link for the actual YouTube chat. Is there a way we can pull this out at all? Wonder. Alright, I'm just gonna get this quick and then we'll start. Okay, there we go. To be what I need. Go and do this. Let's just type in like a test message. That did not work. I don't know. Please won't worry about it. It's fine. Okay, let's start. Just make some announcements. Okay. Announcement made. Let's go. Let's start up. Build for project. Here we go. Okay, so we last left off with I think we were working on the outfit and the chest plate. We need to, some of the big things we need to do are we need to get her other shoulder pad thing, whatever that is called, up. We need to add her side armor plates to the outfit. And I think that's the majority of the actual outfit done. I don't think there's anything else. Of course, we're gonna, once we finish, we'll actually go through in detail. And the very last process of, the last thing we do in the process of making the outfit is actually like sculpting and adding a bunch of smaller details. So I want it to be a little bit more detailed. So, but sculpting will take care of that. I'm still not sure about this, how this looks. This probably doesn't help having it be uneven. Okay, I guess let's just start with something easy. Oh, easy. And do the other shoulder pad. So let's get some references of that. Here's one. Here's another. I have a figure of her as well, IRL. Let's pick that up quick and look at it. So it's kind of like almost like a flat, I said almost list. It's like a flat array of them that wraps around the shoulder. I'd like it to look decent though. So we could start with like making a few. We can have it like trying to plan it out. We could have like 3 major chunks. We could have like 1 middle chunk. Then we could have like then these like side chunks that come out, and then each one of these has like, you know, like breaks up into a couple smaller ones after. Just to think of how it should look. But I don't know. This is probably something that we'll have to just try and figure out as we go. Hi, Carl. Oh, it's the good song too that's playing right now. Dun, 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 dun. Just slap a subdiv right away on it. Come on, keep corners. Let's just kind of go crazy right away and just get something down. This will be white as well. Actually, I wonder. Let me try to find something quick. Hi, Unix. Trying to get one last stream in for the week before I take it easy this weekend. I'm gonna hop in VR. Yeah. I never ever see in VR curl because you always get on so early for me. Yeah, Butter King is Carl with a C from my server. So it's all clumped though together. It's like actually the first half of this is all like mostly one piece maybe. It's hard. It changes so much. This thing probably changes the most out of anything on our outfit. I'll run for VR for like 2 hours on Friday. I'll have to maybe next weekend. Obviously I can't now since I start streaming, but maybe next weekend I'm gonna raid you in VR. One Piece. One Piece. Oh. I'm overthinking this. I'm like not doing anything. I'm just gonna go for it. Let's just place a bunch of them to start. Think about it later. I hate this. It's gonna suck. You don't think I can get in? You doubt my contacts? I'll make it in. Who is this person? I'll riz them up. I'm just kidding. Oh, the Nightbot is working. Cool. Okie dokie. Alright, look at that. Yeah, we already got something kind of going here. How big is it? It also changes in size. To be fairly bulky. It's armor, it's got to be a little bit bulky. Let me turn on auto smooth. Okay, all right. Getting somewhere. Something that might look cool is like if we grab this, split it, fill in the faces, then like crease this, make it smaller, take this one, make it larger to kind of give like that segmented feel to it. Yeah, my goal today is just to get a good amount done so I feel good about the work and hopefully I can relax for a bit. I got caught up. I was going to actually start earlier because I want to go for pretty long today, as long as it doesn't get too late. But I ended up watching actually I ended up watching a live stream, which doesn't happen usually. But one of the YouTubers I really like watching was streaming, which he's very, very rarely does. So I watched it for a bit. That's very good progress. Thanks, Unix. No. Do. Bum, 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 bum. Now we can like have some fun. And how do we break this off? Let's see. So if we do this, make an empty face. And do something like this. Yeah. And even merge it at the end. No. Alright, since that one's going that way, we can let, yeah, that works. I think we should add another edge loop to all of these first. This one we'll add there as well. We can actually add a crease. Or no, maybe not a crease there. Well, a crease, but not a, yeah, there we go. That's not bad. It kind of swoops, doesn't it? It swoops a bit, so none of them are going to be pointed completely down. But we don't want them to be completely straightforward anyways. You stayed a bit too late working out a workflow for doing 2D face puppet. You can copy paste. Sample workflow to create nice looking icons from reproducible angles. Copy paste from avatars. Wait, are you talking about icons? Okay, yeah. I'm a little confused. I'm curious. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, yeah, okay, the 2D axis, yeah. I gotcha. Yeah, that sounds cool. Yeah, you show me later, for sure. I've been staying up recently, this week, which kind of sucks, but it's not too bad. Not too late. Like late for me is like 12, maybe 1. I've been trying to, but actually I don't feel tired because I've been sleeping until like 8 or 9, so it's fine. Alright, I think the top one should stick out slightly more. The lower one should go in. I think that makes sense. And then like maybe we can have a couple smaller ones coming out here. So like this one, then one more like this. I think that makes sense. We can I wonder if we can like flatten them somehow. In an easy way. Yeah, there we go. Alright, Nightbot is sending messages way too often. Yeah. Yeah, after watching the new season of Konosuba, the first next 2 episodes, no spoilers, but after watching the new 2 episodes so far, there's like another outfit or 2 for darkness, and I'm like, oh. So I really actually, I'm gonna revisit. So when I'm done with the outfit and the armor on this model, I'm actually gonna revisit the body and make sure it's you know, looking good, because I want this to turn out good, especially the face and hair, so I can make some other outfits. Like she has like her like casual wear, which is like the black like collared shirt that she has, and which looks really nice. Which should probably be the second thing I do for her if I make another outfit after I make this one. We'll see. What even is this, by the way? What is this tuft? Is it like fur? Is it feather? Like, I have no clue. I have no clue what this is. I'm making it too uniform though. I'm making it way too uniform. how much it moves in the animation. I think it's pretty stiff from, because I was kind of looking at it a bit. But I could relook at it. Yeah, I'll there's a few things when watching the new season, like after working on this model and then watching more Konosuba, I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, like there's a few things I didn't think about when looking for reference. So that'll be one of the things I'll try to remember and do, is take a look at how it moves. I don't think it doesn't flop. Yeah, it's pretty stiff. But the thing is, like, well, what would it be? Because if it was fur, it would also move. So it's like, but it's obviously like, I don't know. Would be fit to her, recolored with darkness's colors. Yeah, no, yeah, it definitely could be. For me, it's like, oh, sorry, like, I'm like, get really close to my mic sometimes. For me, it's like if the base body is good enough, I'll feel motivated and I'll feel fine with, and like base body as in not just body, but like head and hair. If it's like good enough, then I'll feel like totally fine and motivated to work on outfits. So, but like if I'm not happy with it, then I'm just gonna end up making something else, like a new character or model or whatever. Just kind of depends. But I want this to be good, but I don't want to spend forever on this model, because I'm trying to like test myself to see how fast I can make something but still keep it good quality, while you know, also making it good enough where, you know, I'll be happy with it. Let's have to see. Maybe I should merge these. Yeah, I probably should. Do I like that more, or do I like having those separations? I think the separations are kind of nice. What if I sharp these? Outfits honestly are pretty fun and easy to do. I like making them, especially if it's like I don't know, like a character or cool design or something that I like. Just getting to that point where you can make outfits is the rough part. Okay, let's do that. Let's add a crease. Should find some more music before my next stream. I like the synthwave stuff, so I'll probably find more similar things. There's the one artist I like, and I think a lot of their music is actually like free to use and stream and do whatever you want with. So might maybe make a playlist with their stuff in it. But I'll have to double check to make sure that's the case. I think they're also too spiky. Make them a little rounder, I think, at the ends. Yeah, that's a little better, I think. That does not look good. Alright. Try again. Let's have a different approach this time. Let's start with larger strands first. I hate just like deleting and retrying, but like honestly, like sometimes I feel like I have to make it a few times to get the right thing. Drink some tea. I need to work on this tracking more. It's so jumpy and stuff. It's so scuff. Liberty. Some liberty, yeah. Spam emotes. 100, 100. Oh. Oh no, I have to sign in. Why, Google, why are you making me sign in? No, Google, you're making me remember my password. Uh, I forgot the password. I forgot the password. It's fine. I'll just use manual pop-out window. There we go. Okay. All right, let's see. So let's sit down and think about how this is gonna work. Let's pick one reference to go off of first. I kind of like this one here, where it's like, if a couple, you just have like 4 or 5 major swoops. It's kind of like wing shaped. It's not feathers, but it's wing shaped. Let's try to go with that. Okay, let's try this again. So let's do this. Get a tip here at the end. Keep corners. Grab this for reference. Wait, no, that one and this one. So maybe it's like something like this almost, I wonder. And let's sharpen the sides here. I don't know if it's sharpened actually. Then it has like a little bump up at the end. We can actually maybe do this. Oh, this is really hard. Let's just make it from one angle to start. We have another little branch going off. No, let's not even worry about that. We have this one. We can make this into an actual object. Wait, what? There we go. That. And then So it's kind of like curved. So the center is like kind of hollow. So let's do that. Let's get rid of this bottom part here. Actually, what if we add a solidify first? Let's get our thickness clamp. There we go. Okay. All right. We might be getting somewhere. Then this is like that. Edges. And let's make a little split off here. Technically, I think this should be fine. Yeah, kind of works. I think this is too curved. Let's fix that. On smooth, yeah. Okay, getting somewhere a little bit better. Wait, why is that? I don't know. And then let's see, what else do we have? Let me look at the 3D model for this. So we have 3 and then 3. That works pretty well. Has a pretty even silhouette. Let's get rid of the stupid solidify. We don't need that right now. Oh, wait, is the stream still running? Okay, yeah, it's running. Okay, we're fine. For my internet just went weird for a second. That's weird. Okay, cool. Thanks. My chat thing just stopped working. Let's fix that. Oh. There we go. Yeah, that works now. Cool. Okay. Let's copy this thing here and let's do this. Actually, no, let's not merge them either. Or no, ooh. This could be a job for sculpting, honestly. Could be a job for sculpting. Oh, I locked my computer on accident. Why does my keyboard have that shortcut? It's the worst shortcut ever. Because it's right next to the minus on my numpad. I always hit an accident. L, indeed. So only faces. Is this how this worked last time? I did this. Then that was a quad for this. What did I do? Oh, I see. Then this was its own quad. I think. Right? Dissolve. I'm very confused. Oh, I just don't have that. There we go. Easy enough. Okay, I think this is getting somewhere a little bit more interesting. I think it's an improvement so far. So let's continue. Ah, I see what I did. I did this. I like that more. And let's see. Center. 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 Oh no, we're not going to do center on that. But I will give another edge. Ah, topology. What do we do? What do we do? Get rid of these. Oh, not that. And just give up and do this. Yeah, that works. Giving up works. Yeah, okay, this is going a little bit better now. I don't think we want this. I think we want it to like merge back in now. So if we do this and go inside. Ooh, this is gonna be messy. Oh, maybe we get away with it being a little bit messy since we or I can pull a big brain, huge non-5 head. I don't know what the terms are. Move. And where is it? Wait, why is this only 3? Oh, that's why. One sec. Let me fix this first. And then once I get this working, I duplicate this so I don't destroy it and not be able to get back. Go to crank up my subdivision a couple times. Apply it. Go to sculpt mode. Sculpt mode. And how do I retop? Actually, no, I think it's a modifier, isn't it? The remesh. I don't know why it's failing so much. There we go. So we do that remesh. And we do another remesh on that remesh. To merge them all together. And then we can retop over this and finish it. It's my brilliant plan. Try to keep these cavities here. Yep, looks good enough. Now we will just go here and do some retopping. Fun. Not fun. And what we can do is actually use the other version we already have. Cut off this part. Expand this out slightly. And work off it. Let's do a shrink wrap. And let's just go ham. Let's not go too high poly here. Keep it low. Might have to add another loop here. We'll see. Another loop. Nearest point, let's project. Y. Yeah. The Y. Is that only working for some of them? Never mind, we're just gonna do this. Oh, I hate this. Retopping. I don't have a lot of experience doing it, so I'm probably a little bit slower than I would be otherwise. I don't usually retop sculpts, because usually I just model everything how I want it first, and then I sculpt after for like baking. But this time I think it was better not to. I think it's gonna be nice because then I have all of this just like this big clump all modeled out already, which is gonna be nice. I don't know about subdiv with subdivision surface, or sorry, retop with subdivision surface. That might be what's causing me some pain though. Nice. Okay. Hard part done. I think that's all the hard parts done. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now we can just get through this last little bit with the breeze. Just even all these out a bit. Yeah, with all this streaming I'm doing, I will have to, if I keep streaming, I'll have to upgrade my internet again. But shouldn't be that much, and it'll be worth it. I recently canceled like a pretty expensive subscription to something that I was using. I decided I didn't need anymore. So I'll cover it. A lot of vertices here. Do I really need both? I don't think so. Wait, what? Weird. Alright, there we go. Cool. Well, that's basically done. And so if we apply this all like that, bam. What if we do the shrink wrap first? Not too bad either, actually, but... Sir, okay. Transform orientations. Is there a hotkey for that? Because I hate clicking that all the time. Blender transform orientation hotkey. Control Alt Spacebar. Control Alt Spacebar. That's not correct. Alt space bar. No. Okay, here we go. So GRS. Okay, yeah. I don't think there's a hotkey. Wait, use the comma. Oh, yes. Oh, okay, comma. That's really nice. So now I don't need to go up and click on it. I can just go doing and then go whatever I want. All right, and then what is it for this? So pivot transform point. Oh, pivot transform point. Control the dot key. Okay, nice. Oh, it's so nice. Okay. So now I can do individual origins just like that and scale these down and then go right back to median. Awesome. Yeah, I think the sculpt and retop worked out pretty well. I'd never ever do that, like ever, but I think this is a good, you know, first time to kind of try that out and do it. Worked out. Get rid of those, get rid of here. I'm just kind of pulling these the merge points in more so they kind of blend nicer. Should be good. Wait, okay, I'm going hotkey crazy. All right. Is there a hotkey for the type of proportional edit? Fall off hotkey. There is Shift O. So O is enable, disable, Shift O. Yes. Oh, dude. I'm gonna only be using my mouse to move around. You know what? Soon, I don't know. I'm gonna use keys to move around soon, dude. I'm gonna do everything by keyboard. Nah, I don't think that's likely, but I love learning. I love learning the different hotkeys. It's super nice. I see how this is looking. Yeah, that's going along. That's. I think we're getting there. Something we can do is like crease this here and pull this out to kind of make more of a like an edge, like a border. It look good. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is it's not done. Definitely not super great yet, but this is what we needed. This is what we needed for sure. Yeah, I think this is enough to work off of. Looking good. Yeah, nice. Nice, nice. Looking good. I'm feeling good about this. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Definitely more work to be done, but pretty... Oh, this is in the wrong... How do we... collection. How do we swap, like, change, swap, collection? I don't know. Armor. Call this left shoulder. Call this right shoulder. We call this breastplate. I'd call it a chest plate, but yeah. Let's see, wrist guards, wrist wards. What is this piece? This is her. I'll call it a dress. This is the dress clasps. Let's call this the front. What do you call that thing? Let's just call it front cloth. Doesn't really matter the name, as long as we know what it means. Call this boot base. Boot, like, it's not buckle, but we'll just call it buckle. Then boot leg. The bootleg. Let's call this breastplate. Breastplate detail. Nice. Okay, so we got all this named. Let's do the same thing with the body. So let's name this like front hair to head detail. This feet, parade, eyes, head, breasts, body. Yeah, so we have the breasts hidden because they're actually a little bit larger, but like I'm going off of the logic of like, you know, it's squishing them in and they're slightly flattening. I don't know. It's just her boobs are bigger than her chest plate, if you can tell. So there's gonna be hidden when her chest plate's on. Let's see. Is that everything? Let's see what else they have. Ponytail, although oh yeah, that's right, we're gonna do that next. Then this is going to be Circle. Parade circle. Then what is this? Let's see. Hair back. Hair ties. We're gonna delete that. Okay. And that's everything. Awesome. Let's give her some blue eyes since we're sitting here. This is not actually how it's going to be textured. I'm just doing this for fun. What color are her eyes? They're like a nice blue, actually. I like that. Here we go. Yeah. Probably texture is going to be pretty simple as well, which is nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, ponytail. Ponytail. Let's do ponytail next. And I feel like my hands really don't track very well, like surprisingly so. And I don't know. Okay, I think my stupid figure that's on my desk is getting picked up as a hand. I'm gonna move it over here. There we go. Yeah, better. Alright, let's delete this old ponytail and start a new. Keep a little bit of it here. Alright, take a look at our ponytail. Got one here. This one looks pretty good. So it literally, it's not like completely just circular, it builds off. There we go. So it goes just like right to here, and then it switches. So from here, line this up more. Let's make this one big chunk to start, and then we'll separate it out. I think it's the best way to go. There we go. And let's take a look at what it should look like. So she's got kind of like a couple chunks, right? She's got like the way they draw it. It's pretty thick when it comes out. Tapers off pretty fast. I think that's actually a really good reference there. I mean, let me look at the figure. The figure kind of skimped out on the hair, to be honest, but I guess it makes sense since they got like mold them or whatever. All right, tea time. I need to buy one of those mugs that keep your drink warm. Like has like a little battery or like a little thing you can set it on, like a little plate. That'd be nice. Oh, wait, let me stretch quick. Ah. It kind of picked it up. I'll have to set up some better tracking stuff for fun. Like use better trackers. Sippy cups are nice for VR. Yeah, like straws and stuff. The only time I've ever spilled anything while in VR is always by hitting it on accident. Which I guess a sippy cup might help, at least reduce damage. Okay, so let's do something similar to what we did last time, where we have these like these twists. So the hair kind of twists. And then keeps twisting. Well, you got a fancy keyboard. Yeah, that's how it goes. I haven't spilled anything in a long time. Actually, no. One time recently. In the past, like, couple years. I spilled coffee all over my keyboard. Not fun. It was fine. My keyboard was fine, surprisingly. Just the one I'm using now. But it was nice because it's one of those keyboards that have like a flat, like they're not inset. The buttons. It's like flat and they kind of sit above on the flat surface. So it was like really easy to clean. I just flipped it upside down right away and nothing happened. Inset is one set. I do like the inset. I just don't trust myself with them. Let's try this again. So now we're gonna do this. Time stamping that. I don't know what you're talking about. I must have said something. Rip. Don't worry. Oh no, don't give me this smiley face. Oh, the chat's working on the YouTube chat thing. Nice. I didn't notice that. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. my mouse. I'm not a huge fan of my mouse, though. The scroll wheel sucks on it. It's one of those like magnetic ones, and you can like unlock it and it, like scrolls forever. But even when it's locked, it's like you hit it once and it's like, I will keep zooming forever now. It's, I just have to be really careful. I'm used to it now, but still not a huge fan of it. Okay, hair's getting a little bit better now. Now that we have some separation. Looking pretty nice. Bum 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 bum. Actually, what does it look like from directly behind? Do we have any references for that? I'm sure we do. Or not? I was right on Discord. When I was watching stuff, I saved some images. Let me do that. Look. Let me import some new references. Save as darkness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And let me drag them in. One, two, three, four, 5. Can I only do one at a time? Or is it all? It's only one at a time. There we go. I'll select them all and just make them smaller now. So these are the ones I got. Got this a pretty nice front reference, a really nice 3/4 reference. I have here's some more face reference. That's a really good front face view. Also her eyes closed there, which I like. And then here's a good back reference. That's right, that's what I was looking for, is this back reference for the hair. So it kind of swoops off to one end, going one side. Which in this case, I'll just do the other side. Oh, stupid mouse. There we go. Okay. And what else she has? So she has some random chunks that are kind of falling off here and there. A little bit messy. Too much though. So like, let's get one. Actually, add some more polygons. There we go. That's better. Whoa, my computer's freaking out. What's going on? Oh, we're good. That was weird. I think it was my IDE. I think Ryder just didn't like being open for that long. Ryder does that sometimes. Or is it my internet? Oh, still excellent condition. Okay. Wait, it's K to cut, and then I think it's C? Yeah, C's pass through. Man, my brain is so full of all these shortcuts in Blender. Like if I have to stop to think about what shortcut I want to use, a lot of times like I can't remember it, but then like when I need it, I just instinctively will hit the button for it. Hmm. Do, 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 do. So maybe I should sharpen these ones. Not sharpen, crease. Crease. Sometimes creasing's pretty nice for like hair strands, depending on what you want to do. I think in this case, creasing's a good idea because they're smaller anyways. This is not in the back. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely looking a little bit better. I don't like how this looks here. Yeah, I don't like this. Like, this angle sucks. I guess we just need something more like here. To help that silhouette. Maybe this one should go out the other way, since that one's already going this way. There we go. Starting to look a little bit better. The shape's still kind of funky. Let's get rid of these stupid references so we can see. Okay, yeah, hair is coming along. It's definitely an improvement. This looks a little weird. Oh, that. Try making another standoff like here. This one's gonna be a small one, just to break it up. Yeah, that helps. I guess that's what I can do. So when there's like a weird part of the silhouette, I can just add some extra strands to help break it up. Like here, there's like an empty space here, so I could add like a strand on the inside down here to break it up. Thanks. Thanks, Sonia. I think and so usually what I do is after the hair I get like the main kind of blockouts done. I go in through and want to detail it. So like here, for example, instead of having this all be uniform, I broke it up slightly. What I actually would like to do is try to do some overlaps. So like this comes in and overlaps that part slightly. So it has a little bit more of an interesting like pattern to it. But that might be a little much for what we want to do. It might look fine without it. See? And then here, it's like either just manually model or use curves to add some like strand detail. Without the ponytail? Yeah, I mean, same hair. Like, very similar hair. If we just do a bun instead of instead of a ponytail, then it would be very similar. Let's see quick for science. So if I made a circle, it's gonna be a really bad bun, but it's just for example. And where's the hair? There. And like, it's got saber hair kind of, yeah. That doesn't look too good, but you know what I mean. Get rid of these. Yeah, and that's very much saber hair. True, yeah. That's true. Anyone resembles Saber if they're blonde, have straight bangs, long side bangs, and a bun. Dude, I cannot not make ponytails. All my models have ponytails or buns. It has nothing to do with like it being easier to make or like easier to use in VR. It's literally just, I like them a lot. Another alternate. Yeah, maybe. Her hair is very yellow. There we go. A little bit better. Be interesting to texture this. Not looking forward to texturing, but you know, has to be done. Must be done. Oh. Okay, what time is it? 12:30. How long have I been streaming? Only 2 hours. I'll probably go for another 30 minutes or so. Since it's Friday, I'm just gonna take off early, but oh, my mic cord got bumped down. We'll see. Definitely made better progress on the ponytail, so that's good. Definitely an improvement from what it was. Let's keep looking at these yeah, okay, right here. Yeah, so there's a gap, empty space here, which we can fill. It's definitely better. Still kind of an empty space, to be honest, but oh, that's better. I feel like that's like really flat right there. You could just pull this out slightly. That would help fix it. Okay, so there's no like super bad spots in the silhouette. This is kind of a flat. It's very curved here, so maybe have one up here on the inside. Alright, how's this model looking in flat? Yeah, it's coming along. Yeah. Flat always helps. Actually the ponytail's kind of short. Is it short? I like long ponytails, so I might be biased. Let's see. Is it short? No, looks like it goes just a little bit below her, where her chest plate sits. Let's confirm that. It's longer here. It's longer, a little bit longer there. Can we make it a little bit longer? Not too much, just a bit. Easy way to do that would be, so proportional editing. Let's use our new hotkey. Let's go to, actually, is there a hotkey for the type? Alt-O. So Alt-O. And then just drag it down a bit. Let's change the fall off mode to linear. There we go. It's better. Nice. Ah, stupid cord. Ah, cord. There we go. That shouldn't fall now. Hopefully. IK's kind of working on the arms. Okay. I was talking with someone last night about projects I could do to, or like that would just like look good, you know, I can like put on GitHub or something and show off my skills and what I know. And you know, I was thinking about like, oh, like you know, could I like put the core of Reverie, start putting that on GitHub, you know? And then I'm like, well, I'll have some like, I have a few things that I use that I can you know, put up, like Final IK mainly. And but it got me thinking again about making my own IK solver. Which I kind of want to get back into now. That's been a little bit. So I might end up touching on that a bit again. Yeah, so it was TCL. He showed me that in the animation jobs GitHub, they actually have an example of some basic IK stuff. And I'm like, oh shit, like that's perfect. So with that newfound knowledge, yeah, I might look back into it again. Because I remember you were showing me some of that too before. So I was like, oh yeah, I know that stuff. So I'm kind of I'm a little angsty because I kind of want to jump into that. But I think I'll wait. I'll probably do some other stuff first, but might be something like a fun project to do. It's kind of wide. And this our use our special hotkey to disable. Nice. Always feels good. Speaking of hotkeys, I need to learn more hotkeys for like the IDEs I use, like Visual Studio and Rider. I think I use the Visual Studio hotkey stuff on Rider, so it should just be Visual Studio. I use quite a few, but I feel like I should learn more navigation ones so I can get around a little bit faster without using my mouse. Like when I want to like copy paste code right above or below, or want to like, you know, jump around a bit. I feel like I'm kind of slow on that. Nice. All right. All right. Got our nice silhouette going here. Use another one here. I'm not making it too like too spiky, am I? Okay, what if I merge center these and do that? Is that better? It's good dark. Then if I do this, If I mark it sharp, it's probably good. Yeah, I'll do that. And then, okay, so the hotkey for that is this. Individual origins. Merge by distance. Then this. Nice. Then we can do select. I don't think there's a shortcut for this. Select similar crease. We sharpen all the creases. Yeah, now our normals are a little bit nicer. Let's not sharpen that though. Not sharpen that either. You can sharpen this though. Sharpen that. Nice. Yeah, now this should look pretty good with some lighting. Yeah, oh yeah. There we go. Look at that. That looks nice. Perfect. We should get like the two-tone shading for the shader I made on here going. Let's do that right now. I'm a little bit tired from normal modeling, so let's do that. Okay, so let's make a new group. How do we do that? Layout, frame. Let's call this frame. Oh, can we grab the corner? Grab the corner. Can we not grab the corner at all? Yeah. That's annoying. Okay, so these go in here. Color ramp goes in here. This color ramp is for shadows as well. I think that's for specular. Yeah, it's constant. This is for specular. So since that's for specular, what do we remove? From frame, there we go. That's specular stuff. We're not going to worry about that. We're going to remove these from frame 2. Since that's kind of like universal. We're going to make another one of these though. Shadow. And then we are going to do this. This can go in here, even though remote's going into it as well. It's just part of it. So this is because the rim light is getting canceled by the shadow ramp. We'll do the same thing here. where we're going to this mix with the rim light factor. Cool. This is shadow color. And then let's see. Make another one of these, which has the, no, I don't want you to do that, Blender. Has the factor here. And the result going from A and then B is that. No, swap them. Okay, yeah, so that's correct. Okay, so we then do the inverse of this color ramp. Yeah, there we go. I think that works, right? Because that's this. Well, no, okay, no, we want this. We want to subtract the first ramp from the second ramp. So let's do this. Let's do math. Do subtract. Subtract. No, not vector. Subtract. So this minus the first color. Because the first color is this. Second color is that. Then this should be... Okay, that didn't work. Swap them? Okay, yeah, there we go. That's it. So now this is specifically the difference between the first and the second shadow. Now we can take this into our factor here. Yep. Or no, wait, we want that inverted though. Invert color, sure. Yeah, and this will be our other shadow color. Shadow color. Border. This is so messy. There we go. So now we have our border shadow color. So we click on rim, yeah, this, and then we can just make this a little bit lighter. Or maybe select that first and saturate it a bit. Hmm. Okay, that's cool. Works. You know, it'd be cool, another layer of rim light, but it's for the back. So rim light, so shadow light? Rado, what am I talking about? Rim light 2, part 2, the sequel. And for this, we're doing the same thing, except we are going to mix it with the inverse. Yep, there we go. And now I'll clean this up later. So let's do rim light. Rim light color. No, 2. Oh, wait, no. This. There we go. Now we can do something darker. It's kind of better, I guess. A little funny. Alright, then none of these are using the other one. Okay, cool. Nice. Look at that. We got some good progress again. I wonder. Let me try something quick. Let's go to... I need to learn hotkeys for the windows. For fun, why don't we do... I want assign... I see the hearts, thanks. Dude, what are her eyes like? More exactly. Let's see, where's that new front shot I got? Here we go. She's like a little tiny... Well, no, her eyes is big, but she's a little tiny reflection for it. Oh, it's not right there. So see all of it except like this. What does that look like? Just for fun. That actually kind of works. Says like a temporary Retopology. I know. I love the eye whites. Yeah, I know. Not eye whites, but the whites on the eyes. That's something that I'll, for my own stuff, I'll probably keep doing. Like this model has it, but I didn't pull it off as well. So next time I'll try a little bit better. Her eyes are good though. Nothing wrong. Actually, her eyes are more light colored. Like desaturated, like that. There we go. No, that's not quite right. What is that color? Oh, it's like that. Like that color. Whatever that color is. Like a turquoise. There we go. It's better. Nice. Retopology. Ow. Hand? Hello? Wait. What do you think is my hand over here? What is it? What is it doing? Hello? Thank you. I need to plug this into a different USB. I need a new USB hub. This hub is just a nightmare. I don't know why I haven't replaced it already. I think I might have another one somewhere. Something I am missing though, for the hair is her fold, like these little like folds that she has. So it kind of sticks out and then goes down like that. Which is something kind of fairly prominent for her. So I'll like to make sure I get that. We are missing that. Is there a way I can prevent the mesh from casting shadows? bloom. You can add ambient occlusion. RGB standard. Okay, cool. I always forget about grease pencil. I never know how to use grease pencil. Add grease pencil stroke. Like, how do you... I don't know. Never understood it. Monitor has dust on it. You see me clearing my monitor. Alright, I think that is good for today. 1 p.m. Good time to call it quits. Looking much better. Yeah, let's take a look at the hair. Let's admire the hair a bit here. Just admire the hair and the armor. Yeah. Oh yeah, ponytails turn out good. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping the ponytail. Just do a little more work later. We can do some like normal work up here to have the shadows highlight this area more. This is looking pretty good with this shading, because I want to do like more cell shading. So I think I'll mostly keep it like mesh based or normals, not need to like model all the detail. I love the boots. Simple but clean. Her arms are a little thin, I think, but the thing is, this is actually just the body mesh I colored just for the time being. And so when I make the actual suit, her kind of like, I don't know what you call it, Under Armour stuff, it'll actually be slightly thicker, and I'll make like the fingers look more bulky, and same thing with like the feet. They unhide the feet. We'll actually like, you know, make them look like socks and stuff. So all upcoming. Also, I wanted to work on the body a bit more itself, because oh wait, let's get her boobs back. I'm not super happy with the armpit and shoulder area, so I want to see if I can do a little bit better on that. The rest of the body's looking pretty good. It's pretty tall and thin, but like for a normal anime girl, like she's actually pretty thick. So I'm just talking about for like the stuff I usually make, which I want to, you know. Anyways, I think it's a pretty good size, so we'll keep going with that for now. But yeah, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. And catch you next week-ish. For a night, her arms should be a little bit more muscular. Yeah. Yeah, no, they should be a little bit more muscular. Let's actually look really quick at the references just to see. Like, they're really not that much. I think mine are slightly smaller, but if you look at when she actually doesn't have her armor on, they're very much like normal arms. But then here and there, they like, this looks a little thicker. When she's in her armor, for some reason, like these look thicker. Like these her arms look pretty sturdy there. So I'll make them a little bit, because I agree it looks a little thin right now. We'll see what it looks like after I put the bodysuit. And if it still looks thin, we'll just increase it all. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I gotta take the thumbnail for the YouTube thumbnail. There we go. Okay. Studying them really shows how the official isn't that consistent. An OMG face. Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. This is wait, hold on, I can put an image up, can't I? Image, okay. Let me save it. Browse image. There we go. That's the thumbnail. I guess that's a pretty good thumbnail. Okay. Nice. Okay. I'm gone. Thanks for stopping by. Love you all. Bye bye.